Bang Dok. Yoi. Yoi.
Welcome back to PGKPS Bogor Channel. Sekarang kita mau ke Yogyakarta. Sumpah berisik banget.
Jogja Jalan Baru, Jogja.
Kita mau ke Jogja.
Adrian lines all over my body. For the first time, I felt like I was made for somebody. But I know being in love just ain't enough for us. Am I just afraid of having nobody?
What's up guys, balik lagi kembali lagi dengan gua.
Siapa?
Albert
You got me right where you want me to be. Falling into your arms when I know I should leave. 'Cause we've been here before and I know where this leads. 'Cause I'm better than you, it gets no better than me. Got me
Jadi kita baru beres mandi guys. Nah, ini ada di Salatiga. Bentar lagi kita ke Borobudur. Jangan lupa dipakai Nivea Men-nya ya. Nivea Men Extra White Whitening. Jadi kita bakal putih. Oke, segitu.
Tidurlah tidur, dekap saja aku di sampingmu. Usah kau risau, malam kan pergi. Esok burung-burung kan bernyanyi pagi. Langit gempita, cemburu melihat bintang benderang. Berbisik rendah, menyulam saja, manjiri mimpimu warna-warna surga.
Hai guys, kita lagi ada di Candi Borobudur. Kita tuh mau jalan-jalan, bacot. Saksikan keseruan kita ya. Masuk nih tiketnya.
It's over now. We both know that when we set an anchor, we can't take back. But your t-shirt's in the bottom of my dresser drawer. Since I'm sharing, I still wear it when I miss you more. Know you're moving on, it's what we gotta do. And I hope she loves you the way I used to. Like the night we drove for hours just to see the view. Would've gone with you wherever.
Lagi di Jogja. Sekarang, yuk yang mau ke Jogja tepuk tangan yuk.
Terus
Apa?
gak apa-apa.
Udah.
Kamu cantik.
Ya udah.
Ya.
How it was. So don't you leave the good parts out. All the times I never let you down. Don't you remember all the fun we had? Now you're looking back. Was it all like that? Don't you leave the good part.
Guys, kita sekarang lagi ada di Candi Borobudur. Tepatnya di Yogyakarta, Magelang. Mau ngeliat keseruan kita? Stay tune. Let's go.
Yang terindah di dunia, oh tanah yang merdeka, negeri Indonesia. Karena ku tahu di sini ada cinta yang kan ku jaga selamanya.
Kita udah keliling-keliling tadi, udah foto-foto. Kayaknya udah jam 12 siang juga. Udah mau makan kita ya. Yuk, sampai ketemu lagi guys di destinasi berikutnya. Bye.
Untuk wujudkan mimpi kita, dengan janjiku bertekad selamanya. Indonesia. Oh, kita adalah sayap-sayap sang Garuda di atas samudra, di langit kan tulis.
Lagi mau menuju Bukit Rema, naik jeep bareng-bareng sama PGKPS Bogor.
Udah pada naik. Tuh mereka jalan.
Mereka mau ngitupin kulit, kita kan nggak mungkin mutiin kulit.
I heard the news today that you're not mine to keep. Don't struggle too much now while I kill you in your sleep. What is lost if it's not being by yourself? I won't be gentle to the body on the shelf. It's only water, it's only fire, it's only love.
Selanjutnya abis ini kita bakalan langsung ke Villa, terus acara keseharian sama PKPS Jogja dan PKPS Surabaya.
Kalau itu kan ramanya. Ya udah naiklah kau bilang aja mau foto.